Poland has taken a decisive step toward modernizing its military capabilities with the signing of a landmark contract for over 1,200 Legwan multi-purpose tactical vehicles. The agreement, formalized at Rosomak S.A. in Siemianowie-Śląskie, represents one of the largest acquisitions in recent years for the Polish armed forces and underscores Warsaw's commitment to enhancing mobility, logistics, and operational readiness across its army. The contract was publicly announced by Deputy Prime Minister and Defense Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz, highlighting the project as both a strategic military investment and a boost to the national defense industry. The deal outlines the delivery of 1,266 vehicles built on a Kia-based chassis, with full deployment scheduled through 2035. This long-term plan reflects Poland's intent not only to upgrade its current operational fleet but also to create a sustained production capability within the country. The contract brings together the Armaments Agency, representing the State Treasury of the Republic of Poland, and a consortium led by Rosomak S.A. in partnership with Polska Grupa Zbrojeniowa S.A., PGZ. By consolidating domestic production resources, the agreement reinforces Poland's focus on self-reliance in defense manufacturing and the development of a resilient industrial base capable of supporting long-term strategic needs. The Legwan family is designed to provide a broad range of operational capabilities to meet modern battlefield requirements. Vehicles will be delivered in multiple configurations, including light reconnaissance variants for intelligence and patrol missions, high-mobility trucks for personnel and cargo transport, and 4x4 tactical vehicles intended to support tank battalions equipped with K2PL main battle tanks. In addition, mobile technical workshops will be included, providing on-site repair and technical reconnaissance support. Each vehicle will be accompanied by comprehensive training and logistics packages, ensuring that the Polish armed forces are capable of operating and maintaining these systems efficiently. From a strategic perspective, the acquisition of the Legwan vehicles marks a significant evolution in Poland's approach to military mobility. Modern warfare increasingly relies on rapid deployment, operational flexibility, and the ability to sustain units in contested environments. Light reconnaissance vehicles enhance the Army's situational awareness and intelligence gathering capabilities, particularly in varied and challenging weather conditions. High-mobility trucks enable faster and more reliable transportation of troops and material, reducing logistical bottlenecks and improving the overall responsiveness of combat formations. The 4x4 tactical vehicles provide dedicated support to armored battalions, directly integrating with the K2PL tank fleet, while mobile workshops ensure technical resilience in frontline conditions. Minister Kosiniak-Kamysz emphasized the broader economic and strategic implications of the project. Beyond strengthening Poland's military posture, the contract is expected to generate significant employment and stimulate domestic defense production. By relying on Polish suppliers and local manufacturing facilities, the project contributes to the independence of supply chains, a crucial factor in ensuring national security during periods of geopolitical tension. The minister also highlighted the importance of flexibility in defense procurement, drawing on lessons from recent conflicts in Europe. Systems that were highly relevant a few years ago can quickly become outdated, making adaptability and rapid implementation of new technologies essential for maintaining operational effectiveness. The agreement also reflects Poland's growing integration with international partners. Warsaw has been actively expanding collaboration with South Korea, exemplified by the domestic production of the K2 main battle tank, with 180 units ordered for the Polish Army. By leveraging foreign expertise and combining it with domestic industrial capabilities, Poland is positioning itself as a regional hub for advanced defense manufacturing. The Silesian region, in particular, is seen as a potential center for this development, providing the infrastructure and workforce necessary to support large-scale production of both vehicles and armored systems. This strategic approach aims to ensure that Poland not only modernizes its military but also develops the industrial capacity to support long-term defense initiatives and potential export opportunities. The Legwan vehicles represent a multifaceted enhancement of Poland's combat capabilities. Light reconnaissance variants are equipped to conduct patrols, gather intelligence, and transport specialized equipment in a variety of operational conditions. High-mobility trucks improve the Army's ability to deploy personnel and logistical supplies efficiently, which is critical in maintaining operational tempo during both peacetime exercises and combat missions. The 4x4 tactical vehicles are specifically tailored to support armored units, ensuring that tank battalions have dedicated transport and maintenance support, while mobile workshops provide essential repair and recovery capabilities directly on the battlefield. Collectively, these capabilities offer a substantial improvement in operational readiness and tactical flexibility. The acquisition also highlights a broader trend in European defense policy, investing in systems that combine mobility, adaptability, and domestic industrial support. By focusing on vehicles that serve multiple purposes and can be tailored to different operational scenarios, Poland is adopting a forward-looking strategy that addresses both immediate military needs and long-term industrial and economic objectives. The Legwan program demonstrates that modern defense planning increasingly emphasizes integration between tactical requirements and strategic national interests, including job creation, technological development, and export potential. Looking ahead, the successful deployment of the Legwan fleet will likely influence the structure and operational doctrine of the Polish armed forces. With improved reconnaissance, logistics, and battlefield support, units can operate with greater autonomy and resilience, enhancing the overall effectiveness of Poland's defense posture. The program also sets a precedent for future procurement projects, showing that comprehensive planning, industrial partnerships, and strategic alignment with international allies are key to achieving sustained military modernization. In conclusion, Poland's acquisition of over 1,200 Legwan multipurpose tactical vehicles represents a major step in both military modernization and industrial development. By integrating advanced mobility solutions, supporting armored formations, and strengthening domestic manufacturing, the country is addressing the evolving demands of modern warfare while reinforcing national defense capabilities. The program's long-term impact will extend beyond immediate operational benefits, promoting economic growth, technological advancement, and strategic independence. In an era defined by rapid technological change and heightened geopolitical risks, Poland's approach offers a model of how defense procurement can serve multiple objectives simultaneously, enhancing military readiness, supporting domestic industry, and preparing for the uncertainties of tomorrow's security environment.